Hey everyone, Jason with the 5th build of the Christmas Build-Up by LEGO, set number 40222. Looks like we have to disassemble the squirrel/dog to make a small bulldozer. I had to take apart the squirrel and the present just to obtain the parts. Let's begin. This doesn't look like a terribly long build. I guess we have to stick transparent plates to make it look like it's floating. So we're using studs for tires. You can tell this vehicle is obviously not meant to be driven on the road. Maybe it's a hover dozer. Okay. This is a delightful build. It's obviously not scaled for minifigures. Flying right through this one. Okay, we'll put that on the front. Doesn't look too bad so far. At least this one doesn't have any eyes to put on. Although that would have been cool. Oh no, 1x1s. I'm going to have to line those up. That's it. The small bulldozer. Okay. It's more like a seesaw. It is a nice micro build. The front's just a bit heavy. It doesn't roll, which is a bummer. So this is the bulldozer from the Christmas Build-Up by LEGO, set number 40222. Thank you for watching.